Monday, as we had anticipated, sees the arrival of the piling company, SBC. They lose no time in beginning the assembly of their crane. With a short jib rigged and ready, weight stacks can be assembled. Attention can then be turned to assembling the lattice sections of the main jib. With the crane's lattice jib assembled, it's very quickly time for sea cans to be brought in. Tuesday sees a second crane arrive on the dock, along with a hydraulic power unit and a vibrating hammer. It's not very long before tracks arrive and are positioned for installation. Equipment continues to arrive all the time, including a third sea can. A second hydraulic power unit and vibrating hammer are amongst equipments arriving on Tuesday. It's becoming a busy sight. Later in the day, the arrival of a first consignment of steel is an indication of the pace of progress. The focus early on Wednesday is setting up the second crane. This is the scene towards the end of the day, as yet more steel arrives. Thursday sees the first exploratory piles driven in to test the bedrock depth and conditions. The work attracts a great deal of interest. Several tests will be carried out in different locations, on each occasion with the surveyor and others paying particular attention. Elsewhere, ashore, steel cylinders are being prepared for lift. As testing continues on Friday, it's necessary occasionally to move the hydraulic power unit and to relay the crane mats. Whilst the eye was drawn to all the piling work, Elsewhere, it seemed that perhaps the terminal sidewalks might soon be the subject of repair. And along the North Finger, the welders were proving their versatility once again. Thanks for watching this week's update. It'll be interesting to see what happens next week.